we will operate a single acting cylinder and double acting cylinder using a sequence valve and a 4x3 way direction control valve. Let's check the connection first. The pressure line of the valve has been connected to the pressure line of the manifold. The tank line has been connected to the return line manifold here. Now here we have connected port B. Via this hose it is connected to port B of double acting cylinder over here. Here we have connected this A valve line to this sequence valve over here. This is the inlet. These two outlets of the valve, here we have connected this first outlet to the position A of the double acting cylinder, and the second outlet has been connected to the port A of single acting cylinder over here. Now we will switch on the power pack.